Hi, this is your host Rita. In the last video, we talked about internet access and communication technology business. Today, we will dive into another business opportunity in Africa. In this video, we are going to talk about off-grid solar system installations as well as power supply. Understanding how this business has evolved in the past years on the continent. A continent with a lot of power supply challenges. Solar system comes as an alternative to meet up with the high demand in power supply. This video will highlight advantages, opportunities and challenges faced. Africa is at its peak for off-grid solar installation. The demand for this installation has increased proportionally as industrialization increases on the continent. The arrival of various illustrations tackles energy distribution challenges in Africa. Various solar distribution platforms are growing and bringing up daily initiatives. Off-grid solar system offers immediate access to affordable, clean and reliable electricity for places where grid and mini-grid connections aren't economically and technically possible yet. Power supply. Poor power supply has always been a challenge for the African continent. On a continent with a fast-growing industrialization, electricity is a backbone. Access to energy is crucial not only for the attainment of healthcare and educational outcomes, but equally to reduce cost of business and increase local jobs. Renewable energy sources, especially solar, are ideal for meeting Africa's electrical power needs. Africa has an enormous potential, but yet only a fraction of it is being currently used. Challenges and opportunities. Despite this enormous potential, the giant continent still faces lots of challenges. A real global supply chain components such as solar panels and batteries are a challenge. Shortage of these components can cause delays and disruption in off-grid installation. Equally, affordability of these components poses challenges for sectors with lower income groups. Inadequate solar initiative research, lack of technology knowledge are other challenges faced in this sector. Opportunities. Now, in as much as there are challenges faced, the opportunities are advanced and quite large. Africa is a continent with wide solar light supply. This is an opportunity. Moreover, increasing installation sectors on the continent will increase local jobs. The main advantage of off-grid solar system is the promotion of sustainability and a greener future, as well as reduced dependence to foreign oil and fossil fuel. Conclusion: Africa has a great future in solar system installations and an enormous potential. Developing this potential and creating strategies for implementing this system will considerably boost the industrialization on the continent. Together, let's create a greener Africa. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video for another passionate topic in the business world. Leave comments below, like, share and subscribe.